How to start a successful blog. Step first is choose your blog name and get your blog hosting. The first thing is you need to go to Bluehost and register your domain, which is free with hosting. So then you need to choose your domain name. Your domain name is an important part of your blog because it creates a first impression. It is the name of your blog, also known as your URL. Your domain is also your address on the web. For example, someone's domain name is www.minimalist.com. So, what do you want to call your blog? Maybe it's yourname.com, maybe it's your businessname.com, or maybe it's a creative brand name you thought up. If you're having a hard time thinking of a good domain name, try Wordoid. That's a wonderful naming tool that will give you plenty of great options. Just make sure you don't buy the domain name from them, since Bluehost will give you a free domain. Set up Blue hosting, blog hosting. Once you have decided on the domain name, you will need to set up hosting for your blog. While WordPress itself is free, you need a reliable place to host your WordPress blog. So for hosting, you we recommend using Bluehost for several reasons, because it's it's used to it is the most trustworthy web hosting provider. Also, it has outstanding customer service. It is it has great pricing. It provides you with free domain, and it has 30 days money back guarantee. So if you want to change your mind, you can get your money back, you can get refund. Also, its reliability, and it's used by many. Now that you are ready to get started, go to Bluehost and click on Get Started Now button. Next, choose your hosting plan. You will see that prices range from $3 to $6 per month, depending on whether you want a basic single blog hosting plan or a more robust plan that allows you to create multiple blogs. Once you select your plan, you will choose or enter your domain name. If you don't own a domain name, simply enter your desired blog name into the new domain box. If you have already a domain name, simply enter that into the I have a domain name box. Click Next. Finally, create your blogging account and click Create Your Password to complete your blog hosting setup. Just like that, you have nearly become a blogger. Then the next step is start your blog by adding WordPress. Next, you will install WordPress, which is free. Don't let the word install intimidate you though. It's much easier than it sounds, and Bluehost does all the work for you. To begin, simply click Login. Bluehost provides several blog design options, but simply scroll to the bottom and click Skip this step, uh, because I will explain you later that why you need to skip this step. WordPress is now installed. Simply click Start Building to go to your new blogging dashboard and continue to step 3. Pick a simple theme to make your blog your own. A theme allows you to pick a design for your blog without the need for coding expertise or design knowledge. In other words, a good theme helps you to design your blog exactly how you want to look. Next, our blog, there is a platform called BVILT. This is a platform used, uh, it has several beautiful, simple WordPress themes to choose from. And in fact, you can purchase them, the same theme that you wish to use. You can use or purchase any theme you want. Once you purchase your theme, you will be able to download your WordPress theme, which is a .zip file from your BVILT dashboard. Save this file to your desktop because you will need to upload it to WordPress in just a moment. Now you should already be logged in, but whenever you are signed out to mybluehost.com, enter your domain name, your password, and click submit. From here, go to my sites and click on login to WordPress. Next, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Themes. Next, click the Upload button. Then click the Upload Theme button, followed by the Choose File button. Then you need to click Install Now to install your new simple blog design. Finally, click Activate, and your blog theme is activated. Then the next step is add two key blogging plugins to find your readers and track stats. Also, you need to go to plugins, then add new, search for Yoast SEO, then click install now, followed by activate, and your blog will immediately have improved SEO. Next, search for Monster Insights, then click install now, followed by activate. Next, click launch the wizard and follow the steps to complete the Monster Insights setup. uh, then you need to write compelling content to create a blog that your readers love. You need to get make it yours. You need to get your blog yours. You need to get turn your vision into reality. You have to take care of the things like content, photos, logo, images, comments, social media presence, publish. you know so you have to express yourself on your new blog. So I hope I have helped a bit